All right. What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. All right, what up, everyone? What up, Swirls and Zach?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up, 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 what's up?
Thank you guys for being here. Appreciate you guys as always. Any market events happening Wednesday? What is reason for red day today? No, I don't think anything specific is gonna happen tomorrow. I just speculation. I would assume that red day today is just some healthy pullback. To be honest, SPY's been ripping like crazy for the past month and a half. So RSI was over 70. We had like a triple gap up. I think one got filled, but SPY was starting to look pretty bearish. And really no reason why the market should have pumped so hard in the past month and a half. So don't think anything is happening. I just think it's some healthy pullback. Yeah, Zach says back to the good old days. Yes, we're going back to the good old days. I agree. Maybe there's something else going on though, but I'm just going to assume healthy pullback. All right. So today is Tuesday, August 23rd, 2022. I'm your host Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And today we're doing the show from Ramenistan. Right there, Ramenistan. That is because all the major indexes in the red. I don't think it was too bad though. Let me just double check here. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. It wasn't too bad at all. So all the major indexes finish in the red. Crypto's in the green, slightly. Yeah, so looks like a slightly bearish day in the stock market and slightly bullish day in crypto. So I guess we could have went with the stock exchange as well. So today was Ramenistan / stock exchange, but we'll just go with Ramenistan. So pretty uneventful, boring day, to be honest, guys. Not much happening. I did see you guys were chatting a lot on Discord. You guys were very active on Discord today. Always a good thing to see. Community is growing and you guys are helping each other out. So always good to see that. I didn't really pay attention though because I was pretty busy all day. I got a lot of work done. Getting my website set up. Getting my business phone set up. AdSense account. And submitting my documentation. All that good stuff. Yeah. Got a lot of work done today. What up, Ken? And what up, Wen?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up, 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 what's up?
Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate you guys as always. Please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. Can you take a look at IMPP? Yeah, sure. They have lost 500. They got me in the morning with that fake out. Yeah, sorry to hear that, dude. But that's not all too bad. Minor loss there. That's how it goes. But yeah, J Powell said F your calls. And F your puts. He said F everything. But thank you guys for being here. And here comes Siren, so we're going to talk over it. My apologies, guys. But yeah, so today was pretty boring day. Pretty uneventful, boring day. And as a result, there's honestly not too much to talk about today. Today should be a really short show. It could be like hour and a half. Today's show should be hour and a half to 2 hours. We'll just call it hour and a half. But, yeah, so as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And I got 4 articles today, 2 about Celsius. Celsius is, we've been keeping up with Celsius lately. They're still in a lot of trouble. Lawsuits all over the place. So we got 2 articles about Celsius. One about Coinbase. Coinbase also fighting a lawsuit right now. And then one about Twitter. Twitter has a whistleblower. Apparently Elon Musk might be right. Elon Musk might have been, he might have been not BSing about the bot accounts and all that stuff. Pretty surprising. Turn of events there. So yeah, 3 crypto articles and one about Twitter. 4 articles today. And then today we're going to do GCT for the TA, which isn't really even TA. It's more like you know, just discussing my opinion on the stock. So yeah, a lot of honorable mentions today, but really nothing really worthy analyzing on the TA. Let me see here. Yeah, so honorable mention Ape. Covered that. Well, we didn't really cover it, but we covered AMC yesterday. But yeah, honorable mentions AMC and Ape. But not going to talk about that again today. And then GCT was number 4. Major price action 4,300 mentions. So we're going to do GCT again. There was also Blue Apron and AVYA. Vaya Holdings. So really, not much to talk about today. Even GCT isn't, you know, not much to talk about. But that was the biggest, some of the biggest price action today. Still a hot retail stock, so we're just gonna do GCT, but that really shouldn't take too long. You know, not much TA, just like 2 indicators. And then we'll get to the Yolos. And the Yolos should be fun. We have a lot of memes, a lot of lost corn, and I think maybe 1 gain corn. But that should be fun as well. But yeah, guys, I don't have too much planned for you guys today. Really shouldn't take too long. So Tuesdays are one of the slower days for streaming. So if you guys come in and chat, great. But I don't expect too many people today. But yeah, I'll probably go hour and a half today. Hour and a half to 2 hours. But yeah, don't have too much planned for you guys today. Elon is always right. A deleted bird. Yeah, I was very surprised. Again, this is still like developing news, but apparently Elon wasn't lying. I thought it was BSing just to get out of a bad deal, but apparently he really has a point. He wasn't totally BSing. GCT Megaga, yes, Megaga, and not done going just yet. Still a long way to go. Not a long way, but still going to the downside. What up, Punk Skater?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. I found a new car for $8,000. It's a 2013 Mercedes-Benz 250. All right, dude. Did you buy it yet? I'll just say, you know, of course, every car is different. You should go get it inspected first before you actually buy it. But you know, I will say, I do like cars a lot and have a good amount of experience with them. Be careful with those used German cars. Well, the European cars, but yeah, you know, Mercedes, Audi, BMW. They're very nice, but they depreciate very fast because they would turn into money pits after, you know, about 5 years or so. So, if it's still in good condition, if it's low mileage, and you know, and you go get it checked out, and the mechanic says it's all good, then sure, dude. But when it comes to like older used cars, I think, you know, the Japanese cars are better. It's not as nice, but you know, Japanese cars are very reliable. You probably get something cheaper and probably hold up longer, more reliable. So I feel like it, awesome, dude. But you know, just make sure. I'm just saying, be careful. Make sure it's not a money pit before you buy it, because a lot of those older European cars tend to be money pits. All right. I hate eating noodle now. I keep losing on the market. Oh, ramen noodles. Yeah. Well, you know, this whole year we're all losing. We're all losing. So, welcome to the club, dude. To be completely honest, I don't know when the last time I ate top ramen or cup of noodles was. Might have been like in college. Even before that, it's been a while since I ate like, you know, fake ramen. I love me some real ramen though. Couple days is okay. 6 months is no fun. It's been more than 6 months. It's been almost 9 months now, and we might have another year to go. Maybe not a year, but another half year to go. I would say half year to year. So yeah, no fun, and we're only like halfway done. Still lots to go. So hang in there, dude. But welcome to the club. Like I said, we're all taking some big losses lately this year. BBIG is going MOAS. Raw Coco said no. I mean, hasn't he been saying that? What's new? I think everyone knows about the bots. He's just using that as a negotiation tactic. Yeah, but I thought he was exaggerating. I thought he's like, the bots, you know, and then, like he was just, like he was completely BSing about the bots. But apparently he wasn't completely BSing. There legit are bots now. So I thought all along it was a negotiation tactic. But, so it was a negotiation tactic. But it was telling the truth also. 90K, everything checks good. All right, dude. Well, if the mechanics it's all good, and 90K is that's not that bad. That's not that bad. All right, dude. If it looks good, go ahead. Congrats. Again, sorry about your other car, but sounds like you got a pretty good deal there. So very happy for you, dude. What up, Eddie? What's up? And PZ? What's up, guys?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Another Green Day and IMPP. Yeah, so, yeah, Eddie and Ken are both in IMPP. I haven't seen it today, so we'll check it out here in a sec. But, you say it's green, so congrats to you guys today. Bye, BBIG guy. Raul Coco said it will go triple digit tomorrow. Did he actually say it's going to 100 tomorrow? Bro. I don't know. To me, pumpers should like legit get banned. That's he's just costing his whole audience money. It's pretty sad. PBIG is closer to filling that gap down at 71 than hitting triple digits tomorrow. Yeah, it's definitely coming back down to 70. Or I think it was 73. Or it might have been 71. But it's 70 something. Yeah, triple digits. Maybe if they reverse split 5 times or something, sure. But yeah, keep on dreaming. Yeah, BBIG is a scam.
Hey, you gonna lose all your money? That's a scam!
Well, I'm not going to go as far as to call it a scam. But they definitely been mistreating their shareholders. Alright. Cool, so thanks everyone for being here today. A lot of people in here nice and early. Appreciate everyone. Alright, let's get started. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Cool, let's go. Alright. Cool, let's do it. Alright, what are we looking at? IMPP. Yeah, I think that's it, IMPP. Alright, 10.5% today. Very nice, very nice. So it's back up to 40. Cool. Alright, so yeah, it looks like, got some very critical support here at 36 and 35 and 34. So it looks like it bottomed out at 34, and it's on its way back to the upside. So RSI is at 50 right now, so according to the RSI, 40 cents is fair market value. But looks like it's coming back up to maybe complete this cup here at like 58, 59. Gap here to fill at 61. And longer term, bigger cup and handle and gap at 470. So, yeah, you know, pretty average price right now. Pretty neutral. RSI. But it does look bullish short and long terms. So congrats to you guys today, and I hope it keeps pumping in the near future here. Yeah, this may come back up to like 60 in the short term. Hopefully it does. Can you think the girl on the How to Beast YouTube channel has real cherries? Can you think the girl on How to Beast YouTube channel has real cherries? I don't know what girl you're referring to. How to Beast? I don't really watch other YouTubers. Or not fintech at least. Well, that's not or not fintech, not financials. How to beast. How to beast? I'm looking it up right now. Okay, I see. Those are real? Sure don't look real. All right, well, hey, if those are real, you've been blessed by God, you know. Give you the gift of nature there. No way those are real though. Looks too good to be true. So do you think it's real? No, I don't. No, I don't. Will it hit 50 cent? Should I sell now and wait for it to come back to 36 and buy? No. It's not financial advice. I would just hold it for now. There's no gap up, so no, I just hold. I'd hold, sell cover calls, and possibly average down. Yes, you can sell covered calls here. 50-cent strike, you get $5. Not bad. $1 strike, you get $3 for September 16th. Yeah, so right now, I just buy, hold, sell covered calls, and maybe average down. I trade BBIG, so no cost average for me. Average gain would be 1K. So did you make money on BBIG? Not today, but you traded it, in the past couple of days. Yeah, BBIG is good stock to trade. Buy and hold, not so sure. Well, long term, it does look bullish, but yeah, that's a meme stock. Meme stocks are good to trade, not necessarily buy and hold. You should watch ATQ Official. No idea who that is, but maybe I'll check it out. Very good. Yoga Coin. Yoga Coin? The hell is that? Not gonna lie, chart looking bullish. 3 gap down. And RSI somewhat in the middle. On this IMPP. Is there 3? I see 2. But alright, maybe there's 3. And the RSI is average price here. Or average. 50 RSI. So it does look bullish to me. ATQ Official Yoga Coins. Is ATQ a ticker for a crypto? For a yoga coin? Alright, interesting. Yeah, I guess we could check it out. Or I'll check it out later. Too good to be true, my thoughts exactly? Yeah, no way. I mean, nothing wrong with being fake. I prefer them natural, but hey, they still look good. Yeah, total gain would be 4K, traded BBIG a few times, lost some, won some. Hey, being up 4K is really good. I'll take that. So congrats to you. When? On YouTube, ATQ Official. Is that also a chick with big melons or what? ATQ Official. Oh. It is a chick with big melons. Okay. But what is Yoga Coin? What is Yoga Coin? Alright, so it's a thirst trap. If you guys want to look at it, go ahead. It's a straight up thirst trap. 1.8 million subscribers.
Bruh.
Yeah. Sometimes life isn't fair. If I had big melons, I'd probably be at like 10K subs right now. Alright, so interesting. Thanks for that. I'll check it out later. Well, what is Yoga Coin, though? What does that have to do with that? Zoom down 16%. Oof, mega guh. Yeah, I think Zoom... I did see... I saw on CNBC Zoom did get wrecked today. Yeah, what happened here? Wow, ouch. Well, gap down in 29 RSI right now, so could be a good buying opportunity. This show is wild. Hey, it's not me. It's you guys. You guys started it. I'm just I'm just continuing the conversation. But yeah, this is a little off the rails. Now, that's alright. We're chilling today. We don't have much to talk about. We can chill. She does yoga? Yeah, I see that. It's a thirst trap. A lot of girls do yoga on YouTube. It's not really yoga. It's a thirst trap. You know, trying to get you to go to their OnlyFans and stuff. I'm sure she has one. What up, Cosmo Real? What's up? Haven't seen you before, so welcome, dude. GCT. Yeah, we'll get to that very shortly. We just gotta, finish up with our intro, our stock market review and the news first. But we'll get to GCT. So either stick around or come back, watch the playback, or wait till I put out the video later tonight. Where's the hottie aunt in here? I think that was Willie's aunt. He's not here right now. Haven't seen him in a couple of days. Alright, guys, please smash the like button if you haven't yet. Let me check YouTube real quick. We're at 9 viewers, 9 likes. Alright, so thank you, guys. Where is it?
I appreciate you. You loyal.
And if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. And Cosmo. Spoiler alert, I'm kind of bearish on GCT. I think it's going to go back down to 24, I think. Can't really remember, but yeah. That's pretty much what I'm going to say, the gist of it. If you don't want to stick around. But appreciate you. Yep, at the end of the day, it all comes back to the OnlyFans. Yep. You guys watch Birdman? I think it's Birdman who says it. Females living on recruit difficulty. That would apply here. But then, if you're an ugly chick or a fat chick, then you have it just as hard as everyone else. And life sucks. Alright, watch list. Let's do it here. Cool. Alright, so the Dow Jones down 0.47%. NASDAQ down 0.07%. And the S&P down 0.22%. So yeah, slightly bearish day here in the stock market. Not too bad though. The VIX is up 1.3%, up 0.31 points. So we're at 24.11 VIX now, which ain't that great. We can never stay under 20. Every time we go under 20, it goes right back up. So still very volatile market. At least it's not. At least it's not at 30 or 40. Not yet, at least. Alright, let's get to the watch list here. Start on the green side. Wow, what happened to INDO? INDO went up 49%. Damn, yeah, I should have been an INDO, not IMPP. But it does look like the small cap oil is coming back today. Like low-key squeezing, gamma squeezing, all of them. But especially INDO. INDO has been going up a lot lately. Yo, why is this one going up and the other ones aren't going up as much? Interesting. Did something happen here? Yep, no news. I don't know why this one's moving so hard. But all the small cap oil doing well today. INDO, HUSA, IMPP. Oxygen as well, 9.4%. A lot of memes here. A lot of memes growth. Marathon, Nikola, Centro. Damn, Exxon went up 4% today. Yeah, oil doing really, really well today. Value and growth. What else we got here? Yeah, CEI, another one. Chevron, doing good. 3%. Got Novavax, Tesla, honorable mention. 2.3% today. Yeah, I don't see too much value. And down here, we got Tilray, SoFi, NVIDIA, meme index. And some value down here, but not much. TD, gold, silver, DoorDash, Ally Bank, Schwab, Walgreens, Nike, Amazon, eBay, GM, Target, Coke. So for the most part, it looks like oil's really leading the way here today. Oil, by far the best performing sector today. Energy. So meme/growth look like they did pretty decent today. Value not so much. not too many value stocks in the green, and the stocks that were in the green, not much price action. And let's get on to the red side. So number one loser, GCT, which we'll discuss today, very shortly. And then Zoom, which we just talked about, 16.5%. Damn, and BBIG is down to 90 now. Damn, BBIG went down 15%. Interesting. Very interesting. Why did BBIG not make StockTwits? Did everyone give up on BBIG? You would think after a big day, a big red day like this, BBIG would make StockTwits. I'd rather talk about BBIG, but no one really cares, I guess. All right, honorable mention, BBIG. I didn't even see it went down that much. XPeng down 11%. That sucks. TBLT 9.4. AMC honorable mention down 8.6% today. Damn, that went under 970. Wow. So AMC's at lower lows now. Damn. Twitter down 7.3%. Got an article about that coming up. Don't know why it went down so much though. Bed Bath & Beyond honorable mention, 5% down. So still pulling back, but looks like the major crash is over. Yeah, looks like China's going down today. Li Auto, there's XCLA, Mullins down, Neo down. A lot of value here, or a lot of growth, my bad. Peloton, Roku Square, GME, Wish, Clover. See some value here. Domino's, Pfizer, Verizon, Meta, yeah. Yeah, so honestly, there's not so much price action today. It seems like value is really holding the market down. Seems like most of the value stocks in the red, although price action wasn't too bad. But yeah, overall slightly bearish day in the stock market today. But honestly, nothing too crazy going on. Pretty uneventful day. So yeah, hope you guys made money today, and if not, hope it wasn't too bad. Damn, IMPP. What with IMPP? Maybe bankruptcy. BBIG wrecked. Yeah, that's coming back down to 73, I think, where the gap is. AMC, goodbye. Not financial advice, but I would say yes. I would say yes. I just did a video on that Friday, I think, or Sunday. Yeah, RSI's at 30 now, so this is oversold, undervalued, double gap down, and yeah, yearly lows. So I would say yes. Not financial advice though. And it does look like it is going to pull back a bit more, so maybe not just yet, but very soon here, yes, I would say. All right, let's get on to crypto. 1 second here. Let me pull that up. And open the articles as well. Oh, we don't have that many Yolos either. We only have 7 Yolos. Okay. Thought there were more. All right, crypto's recovering. Nordstrom go after hours? What's the ticker on Nordstrom? I forgot what it was. What's up with Nordstrom? Are they going to be the next Bed Bath & Beyond? Why is it going? Earnings? News? What's up? Yeah, what's the ticker? We'll check it out here in a sec. Okay. Earnings. Okay. JWN. All right, we'll check it out here in a second once we get done with the with crypto and the articles. But I'm assuming bad earnings, which is to be expected. Brick and mortar ain't doing so hot. All right. Don't know why this one article is taking so long to load. Earnings beat forecast. All right. That sucks. I would assume they had bad earnings, but you say they had good earnings. But yeah, guidance is what's important nowadays. So it makes sense. That sucks. That's unfortunate. Alright. 1 second. I don't know why this one article is taking so long to load. There we go. Alright. Cool. Alright. On to crypto. So crypto is up 2.34% today. Hey, that's a lot better than I thought. So crypto recovering here. Although I don't see. All right, there was a good amount of green. Yeah, it looks like crypto is recovering here. So we went under 21K last week, and now we're back over 21.5K. Bitcoin. Yeah, let's check it out. So Bitcoin up 1.55%, Ether up 4%. Binance down a little bit. XRP up 2%, Cardano 1%, Solana 1.8, Doge 0.9, Polkadot 4%, Sheep 1.4. Yeah, a lot of green here, a lot of green. Price action isn't that crazy though, but yeah, I do see a lot of green here, not so much red. So yeah, pretty bullish day for crypto. Seems like mostly altcoins though. But yeah, let's sort this out. Let's start on the red side. Alright, so let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4 coins in the red. A whole 4 coins. Celsius, EOS, Trust, Wallet, Token, and PancakeSwap. So we'll just be generous and call it 5% of the coins in the red. And biggest loser is EOS, 3.4%. After that is Celsius, 0.9%. So yeah, really not much happening here on the red side. Not many coins in the red, and the coins that were in the red, not much price action. And they're all growth, not value. So, yeah, it's actually a pretty bullish day in crypto. Let's take a look at the green side. So 95% of the coins in the green. And price action wasn't that crazy. We have 4 coins in the double digits here. Chili's, Curve DAO, Convex Finance, and Bitcoin Cash. But a decent amount of value in here. And yeah, most of the coins in the green today. So yeah, this is actually pretty bullish day for crypto. More so for the growth coins, it seems like, but I will certainly take it. I'll certainly take it. So yeah, take it back. Slightly bearish day in the stock market. Pretty bullish day here in crypto. So actually, overall, today actually should have been kind of bullish, slightly bullish. I guess depends how much crypto you got. But today wasn't actually too bad. All right, cool. So yeah, hope you guys made money today, and if you didn't, hope it wasn't too bad. But yeah, pretty uneventful day, pretty neutral day. Wasn't that crazy. All right, let's get to the articles today. So once again, guys, I got 4 articles today. 2 about Celsius. Dealing with some lawsuits right now. One about Coinbase, also dealing with a lawsuit, and one about Twitter and a whistleblower calling them out. All right, let's do it. First article. Celsius sues Prime Trust for the return of $17 million. Celsius is suing Prime Trust for the return of $17 million worth of crypto amid its Chapter 11 proceedings. All right. So it says the 2 firms terminated their relationship in June 2021, and Prime Trust owed them $119 million in crypto, and Celsius says they haven't paid back all of it. So they're claiming Prime Trust now owes $17 million. So yeah, Celsius is just absolutely savage. they're really out here for themselves, doing anything they can to you know, to stay alive. They could care less about the clients and all their past business partners. So they didn't care about it before, but now that they're broke, they want their 17 million back, which ain't gonna make that much of a difference. But hey, it's something. So yeah, we've been covering Celsius for a while now, ever since crypto winter, and it just keeps getting worse and worse. Not good for Celsius at all. So it's kind of like comical at this point, but also sad because at the end of the day, there are a lot of victims here, and it seems like every single day they're not going to get their money back more and more. So yeah, they're suing Prime Trust right now, 17 million. And continuing on, staying on Celsius. So another lawsuit here. So Celsius countersues KeyFi, former employee, for being thieves. Celsius filed a complaint against the former head of its staking subsidiary, Jason Stone, and the firm it acquired, KeyFi. The lender claims Stone and KeyFi willfully stole and lost Celsius tens of millions of dollars through ineptitude. Okay, let's see here. So they're claiming that this guy, Jason Stone, stole money from Celsius wallets and laundered it through Tornado Cash. And this comes 6 weeks after Stone sued Celsius, accusing the firm of mismanagement and fraud, and claiming it is owed money based on hundreds of millions of profits generated. Alright, so yeah, looks like Celsius owns KeyFi, and they're suing each other right now. They're both accusing each other of mismanagement and fraud. Doesn't say how much they're suing for, also. Says he also bought hundreds of NFTs, which violated the agreement that KeyFi would only stake tokens with approval from Celsius. Alright, so they're accusing him of stealing 1.4 million from Celsius. That's not too bad. Anyway, so he claims he's innocent. This guy Stone sued Celsius. Celsius is countersuing all over $1.4 million. So, again, that's not going to do much for the company. Not going to help them much. But yeah, Celsius in all sorts of trouble right now. Can't catch a break. So, sad and funny. Funny and sad. And more sad than anything. Because it looks like, Celsius is not going to come out of this well. And people are probably going to lose money. But yeah. So if anything new happens with Celsius or any other of these crypto firms that are going under, I'll bring the news to you guys. All right. Now, Coinbase. Coinbase hit with $5 million lawsuit over exchange crashes, alleged securities violations. And this is by a customer suing for $5 million. So he's suing for $5 million for failing to properly secure customers' accounts and flouting federal securities law. So looks like a class action lawsuit. It's over 100 people being represented. Oh, it's because they got locked out of their accounts. Okay. So they say that they were locked out of their accounts during the crypto crash, and they were unable to sell and withdraw, and they lost a lot of money as a result. I do remember hearing something about this. There were problems with accounts getting locked. So they have legitimate beef here. Now, would they have actually sold and withdrew? Probably not. But now they can take advantage of this. They do have a legitimate case here. I think they do, at least. So, in the end, they're probably just going to settle out of court. But, yeah. Coinbase also dealing with some trouble right now. Alright, and again, if anything else happens, if any more news comes out of Coinbase, I'll bring it to you guys. All right, last article here. So this has to do with Twitter, not crypto. Twitter whistleblower alleges execs misled board and public on spam security. A Twitter whistleblower is alleging extreme egregious deficiencies by Twitter related to privacy, security, and content moderation. The complaints were filed by nonprofit law firm Whistleblower Aid, which is representing Twitter's former head of security, Peter Mudge Zatko. The documents mentions misrepresentations by Twitter to Elon Musk, who was locked in a legal battle seeking to back out of a deal to purchase the social media company. All right. So another story we've been following for a while. So yes, Elon Musk bought Twitter for what, $54 billion, $54.20 per share, right? It wasn't $54 billion, but it was $54.20 a share. And then the talks broke down. You know, Elon Musk was claiming this spam bot account thing was a big issue. And up to this point, everyone thought it was a bunch of BS. That he just made a bad deal and he was trying to get out of the deal. But now it's coming out that he may have been telling the truth. Elon Musk may have been telling the truth. So let's see here. So it says senior executives. He witnessed senior executives engaging in deceitful and or misleading communications affecting board members, users, and shareholders on multiple occasions. He said the company failed to accurately represent 4 key issues to the board: out-of-date software that lacked security, yeah, just basically a lot of security issues. It says 500,000 servers were running out-of-date software. Anyway, so a lot of stuff going on here. But yeah, it looks like Elon Musk may have been telling the truth. And the spam bot accounts may actually be a problem. So, yeah, still a developing story. They're still fighting it out in court. But this definitely helps out Elon Musk. He definitely has might actually win now after this news coming out. So yeah, they're going to fight it out in court in October. So if anything else happens, I'll keep you guys updated. And when the court battle does happen, I'll bring the news to you guys. But pretty funny stuff. Elon Musk was actually telling the truth, huh? Go figure. Alright, guys, that's all the news for today. Good stuff. Minor news, but interesting articles here. What time is it? It is 4:46, so we're doing pretty good on time here. So all that's left is we got to talk about... Well, we got to look at JWN, Nordstrom first. And then we're going to talk about GCT. Shouldn't take too long. And then we'll finish up the Yolos, which shouldn't take too long either. Honestly, we may be done before 5:30. We'll see. All right, 1 second here, guys. Let me just check YouTube real quick as well. I think a lot of people dipped. Let me see. No one chatting lately. All right, so it says 7 viewers, 10 likes. So still a lot of people here. I thought some people dipped. Well, some people did dip, but I thought more people dipped because no one's really chatting anymore. But appreciate you guys who are still here. Shout out to you guys.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
All right, so we're going to look at JWN. All right, so yeah, it's going down to $20 right now. It seems like they missed. We're not going to go into the earnings, actually. But I think they missed a little bit, actually, on the earnings. On EPS, at least. And Zach says bad guidance. So, yes, this is pulling back right now. Down to $20. Go. So, yeah, that's going to gap down tomorrow at 20. Disgusting, but could be a good buying opportunity. Can IMPP go up more? Yeah, of course it can. Like I said, it does look bullish short and long terms, and it looks like oil is making a comeback right now, energy. So that is looking bullish for IMPP. But it's not gonna happen overnight, you know. Give it some time. It'll have its day again, and when it does, hit the sell button. All right. So GCT. All right, guys. So yes, GCT. So we're gonna do GCT. This really shouldn't take too long. Maybe like 10, 15 minutes, if that. Cause really no TA, just my observations here. And then we'll finish up the Yolos, which shouldn't take too long either. Only got like 7 of them today, and they're mostly memes. So yes, let me take a quick drink, and we'll do GCT here real quick. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. Okay. Let's do it. So here is GCT Gigacloud Technology. This finishes at $26.64 today. That is down 35.67%.
And it's gone.
So we talked about the stock last week. When this first IPO'd, and had a massive run to the upside. There was no reason to justify that price action. But that run up looked very similar to but that run up was very similar to a few other stocks. But that run up was very similar to a few other stocks. Specifically HKD, AMTD, and MEGL. All of those stocks are Hong Kong fintech IPOs as well. Yeah, I forgot to mention. So I did some research on the company. There's not too much information, but apparently it is a fintech company based in Hong Kong. And those 3 other companies, HKD, AMTD, and MEGL, are also Hong Kong-based fintech IPOs. So the Hong Kong fintech IPOs, IPO plays, IPO pump has been going on for a while now, and GCT is the latest stock to benefit from that. I did say on Friday that I was very happy for the apes, but just like the other companies, it's going to have to come crashing down, just a matter of when, not if. So I actually encouraged people to take profits and start shorting this down. So it has since pulled back pretty significantly, and it does appear like, but it does appear like there is still more downside to go. This was number 4 on StockTwits today. Had 4,300 mentions. So once again, we're going to talk about it. We're not going to do a full technical analysis because there really is nothing to analyze here. We only have 4 days of data. So I'll just briefly give you guys my opinion on what I see here. So only 2 indicators. And of course, here comes the siren. Actually, I think it's going the other way. Hopefully it is. Never fails, though. Nope, it's coming this way. Great. Never ever fails. Whenever we got to talk about important stuff, then everyone wants to mess my show up. What up, Beelzebub? What's up? Sorry, I've been so busy moving up to college in Lubbock, but finally settled in. Oh, alright, so that's why you were going to Lubbock. Is it Lubbock? Lubbock or Lubbock? Whatever. Yeah, college is starting soon. End of August, early September. So, no problem, dude. You know, just glad you could stop in when you can. Appreciate that. And, yeah. Good luck to you in, don't know what year you were in, but good luck to you, dude. Man, I miss college. College was the best time of my life. Everyone says that. Alright, back to this. So first of all, there's a gap up back at 2120. So that's a bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back down to 2120 to fill the gap. To fill that gap. And that gap should fill in the short term. And in the aftermarket here, this is pulling back down to 2625. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bearish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow the stock will sell off as well. And this did 7.7 million in volume today, which is the lowest volume day out of the 4 days of trading. So it does appear like the momentum is cooling off. And the stock is due for some significant pullback. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Again, not many indicators, but the indicators we do have are bearish in the gap up and aftermarket action and decreasing volume. So, it looks like a falling knife right now. And you're likely going to get burned if you go long here. This really shouldn't pump to the upside in the short term. It may have a dead cat bounce. This may have a dead cat bounce in the short term, but really shouldn't go too much to the upside in the short term. And again, this should eventually come back down to 2120 to fill the gap there. So from the current price of 26.65, that would be over a 20% downside potential. So I would say going long here would be a high risk, or excuse me, medium risk, low reward play. Doesn't make too much sense going along here. Yeah, so there is a decent amount of downside potential here in the short term. So going long doesn't make too much sense here. If you want to go long, please do that. Please do that at your own risk. But it would definitely have to be for a quick scalp. Get in, get your money, get out. Secure the gains. Don't be too greedy, guys. But honestly, if you're a bit patient, again, this should come back down to at least 2120 to fill the gap. Probably even lower. And I think that would be a much better entry than the current price of 26.65. So I don't like the current entry of 26.65. But I can't support going long at 21.20 where the gap is. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down. Now, if you want to go short now, financial advice. You already missed a lot of downside in the past two trading sessions. But there still is a decent amount of downside to go here. It's not too late to go short yet. It's still not too late to go short. So again, not many indicators right now, but they're all bearish. And again, this should eventually come back down to 21.20 in the short term to fill the gap there, which would be a little over a 20% downside potential. And this really shouldn't go too much more to the upside because this is a falling knife right now. So I would say going short here at the current price, 26.65 would be a low risk, medium reward play. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. I say low risk. Again, because this may have a little bit of a bounce to the upside in the short term. But I wouldn't worry about that too much because there is still significant downside to go here. And I say medium reward play because, again, there's about a 20% downside here, which is decent money, but not anything too crazy. So as long as you're able to withstand some upside pressure here, this should eventually come back down to 21.20 to fill the gap, and that should be some pretty decent money on the downside. So I can't support going short at the current price, 26.65 and higher. And again, I would cover at 21.20 where the gap is for a relatively easy, for at least a relatively easy 20% downside gain. And it's likely going to go even lower than that. But you should be able to make at least 25% here on the downside. Okay. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're still up. Not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is GCT Gigacloud Technology. All right, so that was pretty fast. That was pretty fast. Good stuff, good stuff. And the content seems to be pretty decent. I don't think that was that bad. All right, so yeah, that's all the TA for today. That wasn't even really TA, but that's all we're going to talk about today. Stock wise. All right, so it's 5:04. We're doing really good on time here, and all that's left is the Yolos. So we should be out of here in like 15 minutes. So yeah, we are going to get done before 5:30. So nice little change, you know. Pretty chill show, short and chill show. Finally get to take a break for once. So cool. Tomorrow's green? Yeah, I sure hope so, dude. But we'll see. We'll see what Jay Powell wants to do. All right, guys. Good stuff. Let me check YouTube real quick. How many people still here? 4 viewers, 13 likes. All right, so it looks like most people dipped. But shout out to you guys who are still here. You four guys, or 4 people. Could be some women in here too. We have had some women joining recently. But yeah, shout out to you guys.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
If you haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. And all right, let's finish here. Let's finish up here with the Yolos. Give me 1 second to pull it up. But there's not too many. Only like 7 today, so this should go pretty fast. Yeah. So last week we had like 3-hour show, 3-hour show, 3-hour show. This week, 2 hours, and then like 1.5 today. So nice little change. Haven't been getting as many views and subs though, but that's all right. Comes and goes. All right, let me open up the Yolos today. And if you guys have any questions for me, questions, comments, concerns, charts, anything you want me to look at, put in chat right now. We'll get to that after the Yolos. And then that's all I got for today. We'll get out of here. All right, so we'll give this a minute to finish loading, and we'll finish up the show here with the Yolos. Yeah, really quick show today. So not too many people in here, and not much to discuss, but, you know, really chill show. Actually a decent amount of people. I just think most people just dipped. Everyone came in early today. All right. Just gonna check something on my phone real quick while this loads. I hope tomorrow is green. I think it will be since Bitcoin is green. Hey, hopefully. I do think we're still due for some pullback on SPY, but crypto is recovering. Although that did tank, you know, last week. That finally is recovering. So we'll see. But I still think in the short term we're due for some more pullback. Okay. All right, I think we're good. Let's do it, guys. All right, guys. So today this should be fun. We only have 7 Yolos, but they're pretty good. A lot of memes, a lot of lost cord, and I think 1 YOLO. So this should go pretty quick, and this should be fun. Let's do it, guys. I lost money on stock. Is there a refundable? Well, no, but kind of. Sometimes you can sue Robinhood or you can sue Coinbase. Like some people did sue Robinhood, claiming that, yeah, you locked me out of my account, and the article we just saw on Coinbase, you locked me out of my account, and then the market went down so much, and then I couldn't sell, so you owe me money, and they actually won those cases. So on some occasions you can sue, you know, saying it wasn't your fault, and you do get a refund, but not likely. But if anything, you can just deduct $3,000 a year, and that's kind of like a refund. Stock write-off, $3,000 a year. They should bump that up, though, to like 5 or 10, I think. 10's a little too much, but 5 would be good. Should I buy a house now, Mr. Wong? J. Paul again? Jake Paul? What, is he pumping crypto? A woman? What about a woman? Should you buy a house right now? Not financial advice, but now would be the time to buy a house. Yes. Maybe not just yet, but very soon. Oh, J Powell, got you. Not Jake Paul, J Powell. Oh, but yeah, the housing market is finally starting to dip. Prices are coming down a little bit, so yes, I think now is the time to buy the dip in the housing market. Not financial advice. Now it's time to buy everything, actually. Man, I hate J Powell. Well, everyone loved him when the money printer was on, right? But now the money printer's off, and everyone hates him. So you can't win. You can't win. All right, guys, let's do it. This first one is by Doge Lonian. Double down on who? All right. So, a tweet here by Algod. Officially doubled down the inverse at Jim Cramer account. For those who are not aware, I started the account with 50K. Honestly, mind-blowing how wrong one man can be. So, yeah, you guys know the joke, inverse Jim Cramer. Shout out to Jim Cramer. Clown on him, too. But, you know, provides us with some very good content here. So, yeah, I'm not sure what he actually was in, if it's an ETF or he just shorted individual stocks, but, yeah, so 50K YOLO, and he's up 100% to 100K now, over 100K. Nice, just by inversing Jim Cramer. See, it really works, guys. So yeah, if you just inverse Jim Cramer, you'd outperform SPY by like a lot, this year. So shout out to this guy, AI God, Algod, and shout out to Jim Cramer for constantly let us clown on him. Good stuff. All right, by 2018, post more lost corn, you regards. All right, so here's the Uno meme. And plus, you know, I recently played Uno with my little cousin. This Uno is completely different now. Now you can just write in. You can write in whatever you want on the card. I'm like, what is this crap? Are you kidding me? You can just write in whatever you want. You could put draw 100 if you want. Anyway, so yeah, I feel old now. I haven't played Uno in a while, but yeah. So admit you have made a bad investment. Cross out investment and put gamble, or draw 25. Apes. Apes. Yup, it was a long-term hold all along. Diamond hands to the moon.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
Nope, give him the cloud. Give him the cloud. Yep, a new generation of bag holders born. But, yeah, it's a long-term hold the whole time. You know, happens every single time. So, yeah, welcome to the club, new bag holders, and I see you guys in round 4. Man, someone should really make an inverse Cramer ETF. There is, dude. There are a few. I already forgot what they're called. But I think there are a few of them. And I think there's also, yeah, there is an inverse Cathy Wood also, inverse ARC. I forgot what they're called, but there are a few. And they all have outperformed SPY. Alright, next one. Alright, so here's the lost chord. So this is by the bomb, 999. So 27 male. It was nice trading by your side, you awesome degens, but it looks like it's time to focus on school from now on. Yeah, blows up its account. Time to go back to school. Alright, let's check it out here. I think it's a video. Is it a video? It is a video. Alright, so let's quickly take a look at what's happening here. Alright, so we started with like 21K. Runs it up to 170K. 170K at the high. And proceeds to lose everything back down to 90 bucks. Alright, so let's pause the video there. Alright, hitting a little bit of lag here, not getting frames. Shit, where'd all my frames go? That video really did not help. Anyway, yeah, so, I'm assuming this is FD Yolos. So ran it up from 21K to 170K. I think that was when... No, that was not when GameStop happened. I think he ran it up when GameStop happened and then proceeded to lose everything from there. Kept YOLOing, and so it started with... So this was a 150K gain. Why are my frames still not here? Anyway, so this was a 150K gain. Why is this lagging so hard? This video is really messed it up here. And ends up being a 21K loss. My God, where's all the frames? Maybe I shouldn't play the second video. Yeah, this is lagging hard right now. Yeah, SARK is a well-known ETF. Yeah, SARK. There's also a few... Yeah, that one is well-known, but there are a few inverse Kramer ETFs. I just can't remember what they're called. Hopefully, it's crashed like Bitcoin. It's still expensive to house. Yeah, it still is, but it is finally starting to dip. It's coming down. So maybe give it a little bit more time. It's not going to crash like Bitcoin, but, you know, I think it'll come back down a little bit more. All right, so yeah. So 21K to 170K, 150K gain. Kept on gambling, kept on YOLOing, and proceeds to lose everything. So blow up his account. Down 21K here. What the hell? Meme's not cooperating right now. Frame's not cooperating right now. Anyway. So, yes. Super ape here. Typical stuff. So what can we learn here, guys? Don't do this. Don't do FD Yolos. And if you do, and if you're up this much, hit the sell button. Enjoy the tendies. Don't go back and gamble more. Because this is likely to happen. So yes, the bomb 999. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Not really. Totally your fault. I hope you learned something from this. Expensive tuition, but net loss 20K. That's not all that bad. You're still young, 27, and yeah, dude. I guess focus on school and come back stronger next time. Shout out to you. Thanks for posting. Good luck. All right, so another one here, another video, but let's see how much you ran it up to. I can just tell you guys, we're not gonna play the video because I don't want to get my frames dropped again, which it's already dropping. Oh well. So another lost coin here. So this guy ran it up from 50K down to 0, blew up his account. So yeah, 100% loss, down 50K. So he started at like 25, ran it up to 50, 100% gain, and proceeded to lose everything.
And it's gone.
Oh, I can't use any memes right now. Where are my frames? Let's try one more time. Probably not going to work, though. Getting 11 frames now.
And it's gone.
Yeah, it's not working. I gotta stop playing videos. Definitely messes my stream up here. Anyway. Yeah, so definitely FD Yolos. Ran it up. Thought it was genius. And proceeded to continue to lose everything. So again, guys. Chill with FD Yolos. If you do manage to make a profit, hit the sell button. And don't go back for more. Because you're likely to lose everything. Same thing. Oh, I forgot to say. So yeah, by OVO trades. It's been a ride. Regards. Alright. I love how they say regards now. Instead of, the other word. But yeah, 50K loss here. Blew up his account. Good stuff. So OVO trades. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Not really. Definitely your fault. Hope you learned your lesson. And, not all too bad. Come back stronger next time. Thanks for posting. Good luck to you. IMPP after hour action? What's up with IMPP? I hope it's good. We'll check it out. Check it out here in a second. We got 3 more. All right, this is by Mildly Sensible. Robinhood won't let me buy the dip. Oh my god. All right. So, all time here, this guy's down 49, almost 50K. 106%.
And it's gone.
All right, so yeah, this guy's actually down 3K, like negative 3K. So what do you do now? You delete the app and hope they don't come margin calling. They probably won't, to be honest. But yeah, only one way this is possible. Either FD Yolos, well, definitely margin here. Definitely margin and or FD Yolos. Because you can't go negative without margin. So definitely going to get margin called here. Either way, bad decisions. Don't do this, guys. So yeah, you can't buy the dip with no more money. So yeah, blew up his whole account. 106%. Really well done. Congrats. So yeah, don't do this, guys. And at this point, if you're ever in this position, delete the app, and hope they don't come margin calling. And they actually probably won't. So good stuff. So Mildly Sensible, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, not really. Totally deserve it. But, you know, hope you're learning a lesson. Great content here. And, yeah, I just delete the app and hope they don't come margin calling at this point. So hope you're learning a lesson. Thanks for posting. Good luck. Alright, this is by Artie NYC. Lost all gains and more. I will be back with $1 million gain in the next 3 to 5 years. Just save this post. Alright, so another guy blew up his account here. Down 31K. 100%.
And it's gone.
And another one looks like FD Yolos here. Tries to gamble himself out of a hole. It actually was up. It looks like he was down and then ran it up with FD Yolos. Thought, hey man, I'm good at this. I'm a genius. And proceeds to lose everything. Typical Wall Street bet stuff. So yeah, should have cashed that while he was up. So I hope he learned his lesson here. And yeah, you know, in the grand scheme of things, 31K, not the worst thing in the world. It seems like the guy did learn his lesson, and he definitely wants to come back stronger next time. So I like it. I like it. I mean, definitely effed up here, but I think this ape is going to learn. So, Artie NYC, sorry for your loss. Not really. You deserve it. But I'm glad you are willing to learn, and, you know, I think you'll be fine going down the road. It ain't too bad. Just expensive tuition. So, sorry for your loss. Good luck to you. And yeah, hope to see you back here. All right, last one. By Lieutenant Dan's Legs. Down 15K on my AMC YOLO. Guess I belong here now. All right, so yeah. I don't know why it says AMC 1. But yeah, AMC $30 call. 209 contracts. 209 calls. This was expiring this Friday, August 26th. This was a 17K YOLO, and right now it's down 15.5K, 91%. And yeah, what's AMC at now? 10? 10? So you got 3 days to go for a 200% gain. Not going to happen, not going to happen. I can guarantee you that. So, I don't know why he did this. If you knew did he think the ape dividend was going to send the stock through the roof? Because the complete opposite happened here. So yeah, just really badly done. Terrible everything. Terrible strike, terrible expiration, terrible timing, terrible play all around, and totally deserved. So at this point, you still got 1.5K in value here, if even that at this point. Only one thing to do, hit the sell button, save yourself a little bit of money here. I know it sucks, but if you don't, you're going to lose it. So that's all you can do at this point. So yeah, Lieutenant Dan's Legs, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Not really. You really effed up here, dude. Did everything completely wrong, and you deserve this. But hey, yes, you do belong here. You earn your stripes. Thanks for posting. Hit the sub button. You know, only thing you can do at this point. And yeah, good luck to you. Thanks for posting. All right. Cool. So that's all the Yolos for today, guys. Good stuff. Nothing too crazy, but yeah, some good memes, some good lost corn. And last order of business, let's look at IMPP and let's get out of here. All right, what's up with IMPP? Let's see. All right, so it doesn't look like it's going up that much. I thought it was like mooning or something. Let me see here. Oh, it's up to 41.50. All right, yeah, so not like crazy price action. But this is good. Going up in the aftermarket. 41.25 now. 41.25. So if this holds up, which it looks like it will, that's a bullish indicator for tomorrow. Probably going to pump tomorrow as well. Energy's doing well lately. So hope it does. I hope it does like an INDO. Hope that happens tomorrow. Some type of INDO move. Is IMPP manipulated? Probably. There's always manipulation happening. So definitely yes, but probably not as much as you think. But yes, it very well can be actively manipulated because this is, a low-key meme stock. Apes love it. So there probably are a lot of hedge funds and some firms that are taking advantage of that. But, it's all just speculation. No one can prove anything. But, yes, I would say yes, because all stocks are manipulated to some extent. But that's just how it goes, Got to learn to play the game. Can't be too mad at it. $39. Yeah, so Eddie got a really good entry. So he's up a little bit there. 83. Damn, dude. Yeah, that's rough. So sorry to hear that, Ken. But, just diamond hands, hodl, and this will have its day again. You may be in this for a couple months, though, before it, runs to the upside again. But it definitely will squeeze. Maybe in a couple months. Just a matter of when, not if. And when it does, have the sub button ready. All right, guys. So, yep, that is the show for today. So, anything else? Questions, comments, concerns? Any charts you guys want me to look at? Put it in the chat right now. Otherwise, we're out of here. But yeah, guys, so really short show. We did go hour and a half today, which is a nice little change because the past week we've been going like 3 hours. So, not much happening today, stock-wise, news-wise. But yeah, really short show, chill show. Thank you guys for the show today. A lot of people in here. So thank you guys, all the regulars, all the new people, and all the lurkers that attended the show today. Appreciate everyone. Where's the meme?
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely enjoyed. And please smash the like button on your way out. Please and thank you. Alright, and no one's saying anything, so yep, I think we're out of here. Cool. So thank you guys for the show today. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow. And I'll work on this video right now. Really shouldn't take too long. Cool. Alright. Oh, Chilo's here. I didn't even know. Must have been lurking. But shout out to you, Chilo. Appreciate you. And yeah, catch you later. Peace out, guys. Cool, let's get out of here. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.